Jacki at the Marengo-Union Library, here again for a science moment. Today we are going to be making elephant toothpaste for my friend Elephant here because he needs to brush his teeth just like you do. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pour in some hydrogen peroxide. Now, the kind I'm using today actually you can get from a beauty store, okay, like Sally's or something like that. It's a special kind of hydrogen peroxide. And after you do this one, we're going to do another one with a different kind of hydrogen peroxide. All right, so I'm going to pour my hydrogen peroxide into my bottle. And then I'm going to add some dish soap. I got 1 tablespoon of dish soap here. There we go. And then you really can't tell the colors, can you, very well? So we're going to add some color to that, okay? How about green, huh? I like green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 drops of green food coloring in my bottle. And I'm going to swish it around a little bit, see? All right, now it's all green, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to put that to the side, and then I'm going to take some warm water, 1/4 cup of warm water, and I pour it into the measuring cup, and then I'm going to add a packet of yeast. All right, there we go. And then I'm going to stir it around a little bit. All right. You can see I let the water and the yeast kind of sit for a while, and you can kind of see it kind of looks kind of all bubbly. All right, see? And then now, you ready for this? For this, I'm going to put on my safety goggles just to stay safe. All right, here we go. All right, I wonder what's going to happen, okay? You ready for this? All right, you watch. All right, there we go. I don't know if you can see this or not. It's getting bigger. Oh. Can you see inside there? Yes. All right, watch what happens. It's turned to rise. Oh, keep watching. Keep watching. It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Ooh. Going to happen. See how the color is kind of changing, huh? We've got dark green here and we've got foam. Still working. Still working. What's going to happen? Ooh, you know what? It's getting kind of warm. My bottle's getting kind of hot. Do you know why that is? Because this is a exothermic experiment, which means exo means outside and thermic means it generates heat. See, we added the water and the hydrogen peroxide, which has all this oxygen in there, and so then the bubbles come out of the oxygen for the hydrogen peroxide when we put the yeast in there and eats up all that water, all that oxygen. All right, ooh, look at thee. All right, we're gonna watch and see what happens with that one, and now we're gonna try with regular hydrogen peroxide. Okay, this is regular hydrogen peroxide, the kind that maybe sometimes we use to clean up like an owie or something like that, maybe a little bit of blood. Mom uses some hydrogen peroxide or something, huh? Which is different from this kind that I got at the beauty store. We're gonna see which kind works best, okay? All right, so I got my hydrogen peroxide in there. All right, then I'm gonna add my dish soap. And then this time maybe I'll add some red food coloring. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Ooh, pretty, huh? All right. And then I'm going to add some water, 1/4 cup of water. And we're going to do another packet of yeast. I should have 1/2 cup of water. see what happens now when you use regular hydrogen peroxide. Okay, I'm going to stir this up a little bit and let the bubbles form from the yeast. I know sometimes when I do baking at home and things like that, I add a little bit of sugar there because you know what? Yeast likes to eat sugar. It helps it grow. Okay, so let that sit there for a few minutes while I tell you that now, in case you didn't know, the library is now open again for you to come in. We're open from 10 to 3 Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. So you can come in and look around if you wanted. Look for books on the shelf yourself. And if you don't want to come in, that's okay too. You can still call me on the phone and we'll get the books ready for you, okay? Oh, I forgot to tell you. Tuesday and Thursday, ready for this? We're open from 1 to 6 p.m. All right. So let's see, this is the Elephant Toothpaste that we made with the special kind of hydrogen peroxide. Okay. It's kind of down there, and now it's getting bigger and bigger, isn't it? Okay, now we're going to add our yeast to the red solution that we use with the regular hydrogen peroxide, okay? Ooh, look at that. Whoa. Oh my. I think it's overflowing. Oops, clear the decks here. Wow. Look at that. Can you see that? Let me move this out of the way for you. Maybe I can hold the tray up so you can see it. It is making, move this out of the way too. White, the mess. Here, let me hold it up for you so you can see it. Look at that. Look at that. And it's still going. Oh, it's like a volcano, isn't it? It's like exploding. Let me see if I'm going to touch it to see. Yep, it's getting hot too. Okay, do you remember what that reaction is called? Yes, an exothermic reaction. And exo means, remember, outside. Good job. And thermic, that means it makes heat. All right. It's pretty cool, huh? All right. I guess that's all we have for today. But I wanted to show you how different chemicals, you put them together and look what they make, huh? Pour this out. Look at that. Maybe you can see it better now. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. All right. I'm going to show that to you again. Look at all that. Look at that reaction. Look how much that's making. Whoa. Yes. It's filling my whole tray up with this. Wow. That's a lot of toothpaste for my elephant, isn't it? But he's got lots of big, big teeth, doesn't he? All right. Thanks again for joining me, and we'll see you again next week. Bye. Okay, I thought you might want to see what's happening now. Remember before we made this with the other kind of hydrogen peroxide? Remember? Okay, but look at that. It was very slow to foam out of the bottle, but then it did. Yes. Now what surprised me was the fact that I thought this hydrogen peroxide would have more bubbles, more oxygen in it, but actually this hydrogen peroxide had a lot bigger reaction, didn't it? That was the pink solution that we made, the pink elephant toothpaste. So, okay, just wanted to share that with you. I was really surprised by the reaction between the two different hydrogen peroxides, and I thought this one here would be a lot more foamy, but it wasn't. Actually, the hydrogen peroxide that I got from the store had a bigger reaction, probably because it had more oxygen in the bubbles, right? Okay, that was all I wanted to tell you. Thank you. We'll see you next time. Bye.